Now I have been playing around with this menu, and let me show you what I am going to do. Because we are going to be, well, in this case, the changes are going to be a lot easier if you do what I am going to show you. Let me go back to the template, and inside the main menu, let's scroll all the way down. And if you remember, we actually create this color property. So we are going to eliminate all that, and then we are going to go back and copy this color behind this menu in here. Okay, this will be a darker blue color, so we are going to copy that one, and we are going to change the color behind this drop down menu. So let me show you. We are going to click on ColorZilla, and we are going to click inside this color. When you click, remember, the hexadecimal color will be saved automatically. So if you go back, you are going to be changing, in this case, this background color. Ctrl V, and that will be the new color. So remember, we eliminate the color inside this anchor element, okay? This anchor element, which will be a descendant of this li element, and this li element, and this main menu. So we are going to go back and click save. If we go back, what will happen is that this black color inside the drop down menu will be eliminated, and it is going to go back to the white color. However, the background that you are looking at your screen right now, and especially this kinda grayish color inside there, it is going to be changed to a blue darker color. Let me refresh and see what will happen. Now going back, and well, in this case the background color has not been changed. Let me go back, and if you notice, we changed this color in here. But if we analyze the CSS style, let me go back, you are going to be able to see another E5, E5, and E5. So we are going to replace that one and click save again. Going back, refresh, and analyze everything again. As you can see, now the drop down menu will look a lot better. Again, this will be only the main idea while changing your menu, because again, now that you have CSS and that you understand HTML, you are going to be able to accomplish whatever you want. Let me reduce the size so we can analyze the mobile. And well, in this case, the mobile won't be affected. Why? Because you will need to change. Remember, the mobile will be one thing, and the main website, in this case the bigger website, will be another thing. So you will need to look inside the CSS. Let me go back, and we are going to copy this color in here. Then we are going to paste, well, we are going to write down E5, E5. Let me go back, and E in capital letter 5, E5, and let me analyze, because we should have, let me scroll all the way down, and well, I don't find the E5. Let me analyze and reduce the color again, and we are going to, well, I am going to click print screen. Then I am going to go back in here to my Firefox and Ctrl V. As you can see, I will be able to see the color, and you can also use, if you want, the ColorZilla in here. So you can click in here and click on the color, but it won't work in this case because you are going to have the hover effect. So we will need to go in here and click on this color so we can find out the color behind the menu. And if you notice, it will be F8, F8, and F8. So let me go back, and we are going to write down F8, F8, and F8. And that will be the color that we will need to change. Again, we are going to copy this color, Ctrl C, and going back. Well, you know what? Actually, you don't need to, let me just make sure. Well, let me just paste the color in here, and we are going to click save, going back and click refresh. Then I am going to reduce, and as you can see now, the menu will look a lot better. So for this video, that will be it, and let's move on to the next one.